Preston, look at Mama. You ready to work?
No! Not the business!
Why not?
Not the business!
You look silly.
Not the business!
Why not?
Not the business!
I want to take a picture of you. What are you fixing? Okay, you got your glasses on. Good job. Can I help? Let me help. There you go. Cool, now. Now you're super cool. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, we gotta get the boots in. Are you fixing it? Mama help you. Hold on. I'll pull the strap up. Okay. Wait, put it on. Alright, there you go. Now you're safe. You're funny.